Hey everyone! Come join us for another quick staycation with the fam. And today we've checked in at Sheraton Manila Hotel at Newport World Resorts. And it's a special day today because we're celebrating the anniversary of my brother-in-law and my sister's wedding. Hi! So let's do a quick room tour ng 2 queens dito sa Sheraton Hotel. Let's go! So this is the room. From here, meron agad silang, makikita mo agad itong kanilang closet. So, you open it. Okay, so meron sila dito safety deposit box. And then, meron silang mga pre-provide na rooms. In here, what do they have here? Ay, walang lang. Here, so meron silang mga laundry basket kung gusto mo magpa-laundry later. Then, let's open the other side. So, dito sa other side, they provided, of course, hangers. And then, meron silang iron. And then, kabayo. Hindi ko alam anong tawag dito. Iron something. Then, they've also provided sleepers. Yan, dalawa. We will request later kasi ang room na to is good for a maximum of 4 adults. But, of course, we're 5 and then we have a kid. Free yung kid to stay. So, after the closet, meron silang mini refreshment area dito. Then they have kung gusto mo ng drinks and snacks, meron silang price here. And of course, complimentary water. And then they have this for if you want warm water. Okay? And then here, meron sila mini fridge, of course. Paano buksan? Ay, walang laman. Kasi nga mag-request ka. Walang laman! Then, what's inside? Okay. So, ito yung kanilang complimentary coffee and tea. Ano ba dito? Yan, meron sa mga kopita. Pag gusto mo ng wine. Yan. So, meron silang full-size mirror for you to check your OOTDs. Ayan. So, this is the room. Sobrang spacious. Good enough para sa aming family. And of course, meron silang 2 queen beds. So, this will be the side of my sister. And, ito yung side namin. So, and then, meron sila ditong malaking television. Ayan, taray. Let's go. And then, si Madam, may CEO dito. CEO ng mga bag. Ayan. So, meron sila dito if you want to work. Ayan. So, tama. Because tama. Then, they have, of course, the telephone. And of course, Mom is there. Hi, Mom. Yan. Isa sa mga gusto ko dito is yung kanilang view. Ang ganda. So, this is the view from our room. So, makikita mo yung NAIA Terminal 3. Diba? So, ayan. Makikita mo Cebu Pacific. So, now, let's check the washroom. So, ito nga pala, na-slide to. Ngayon mo na yung reaction mo, girl.
Alam ko
So, when you open this, okay, this is the washroom. Ito yung bathroom nila. Unfortunately, ito lang yung 5-star na yan. Nakita ko na walang bathroom. Oh my God, why did it close?
Kasi
Ba't niyo ito pinatay? Okay, now again, the bathroom. So, bathroom take 2. So, ayun, syempre meron silang of course, a cubicle. Ayan. And then, this is the shower area. Pero dito muna tayo. So, this is the sink. Meron dito. Ay, hindi ba nabubuksan to? Actually, parang sabitan lang pa ng towel. Tapos, meron dito. If mag-shave ka, ganyan, or something. And then, of course, baso. Ang maganda dito is yung nila. Yung kanilang kits. Ang bigat. Parang nakakatakot. Marble siya. So, they have, of course, dental kit, sanitary bag, and shower cap. And then, from here, meron silang hand wash and body lotion na provided. And then, pagdating mo naman sa ilalim, hindi nyo nakikita na merong blower, diba? Pero the blow dry is here. Yan. So, meron silang binigay na separate na blow dry. Okay. Then, let's go inside. Shower area, tapos meron silang binigay na shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Yun nga lang talaga, they don't have a bathtub. So now, let's check the amenities of the hotel. Let's check their Vega pool, and of course other stuff, other areas of Sheraton Hotel. Let's go. Ang kanilang pool area is on the 3rd floor. They have the meeting rooms. Oh, this is the fitness area. And then on the same floor, merong kids club. They have a kids club. And then going straight, we'll go to the Vega pool.
So this is their Vega pool, and medyo malaki siya because it's actually shared with Hilton Hotel, and supposedly heated yung pool, but nung nandun kami it's under maintenance, so hindi naman siya na-experience. Anyway, it's still a good stay. And also they have cabanas available, and consumable yung rent sa kanya. You can spend it for food or beverages na available. So after touring the hotel, we've decided to go to Newport Mall to have dinner.
Yan, so nandito na kami. We're gonna go to the Newport Mall. Meron naman daw palang connecting dito sa 2nd floor. It's actually a rainy day again. Ay, dito tayo. Ay, ang ganda dito. In fairness naman. Okay, so we're here at Newport Mall. Hanap kami ng kakainan with the fam again. Hi! Okay, so... We're gonna change clothes. Tara, what will you do ba today? Video to. So we've already changed. Go to the pool area to swim. Night swim. It's raining. Morning. Oh, daming airplane. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Breakfast time. So their breakfast starts at 6:30 up until 10 o'clock. So it's 7 o'clock. So we're gonna have our breakfast para makapag-swimming ulit si Atara. Say good morning. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Say good morning.
So yung breakfast nila is here at the ground floor. Thank you. So let's check yung mga kung anong meron sa breakfast nila. There, oh, chocolate. Ito yun pala. This is their coffee station. They have tea. Mom, ano yan? They have cereals for the kids. They have oatmeal. Oh, yay! Ito yung avocado. Fresh juices. Okay, let's go and check their main dish. Ito, girl, oh. This is what you've been looking for, yogurt. yan. Anong egg sa'yo? Scrambled. Anong kinagal? Hi, kuya. Isa pong scrambled egg, ha? With cheese lang?
Kiss lang, ma'am.
With cheese lang. Ito pala.
Two type of kiss, ma'am. Or
I'm getting my favorite. Masyadong malayo para na. Sorry, pwede ko mamili
And of course, after breakfast, we went straight to the Vega Pool to swim and of course to have fun.
That's it for our stay.